If you've been feeling disconnected from yourself, really externally focused, maybe a bit numb inside, I've got you. I have guided thousands of EFT tapping sessions and helped my clients to really come back to themselves. And I'm going to give you a taste of that today. So start off tapping on the back side of your hand, taking a deep breath in, exhaling with a big sigh, give your body a bit of a shake and repeat back after me. I feel so disconnected from myself. And even though I've been feeling disconnected, I accept myself as I am. Tapping between the eyebrows, feeling so disconnected from myself. To the sides of the eyes. It's almost like I'm so disconnected. I don't know if I can ever get back to myself. Under the eyes. I love and accept myself. Under the nose. And I am healing this disconnection now. Under the lips. It's possible for me to reconnect to myself. Tapping to the chest, take a big deep breath. Now we're going to acknowledge some of the common blocks, negative thoughts that might be there. Then we're going to focus on affirmations because that's how tapping works best. Front of the ribs. The truth is, it feels scary to be alone with myself. Sides of the ribs. So much easier to scroll or distract myself. Tapping to the wrist. It's understandable. I've become disconnected. To the back side of the hand. And I forgive myself for all the ways I've been disconnected. Tapping to the top of the head. Even though it feels scary to connect with myself, I'm open to this process being easier. Tapping between the eyebrows. I am letting go of some of this fear of connecting with myself. Sides of the eyes, take a deep breath and see if you're ready to let go of some of the fear of connecting with yourself. Tapping under the eyes. What if it's safe for me to connect with myself? Under the nose. But I don't even know who I am anymore. Under the lips. I don't even know who I really am. Tapping to the chest. And that's really scary. Under the ribs. So of course it's easier to scroll and distract myself. Sides of the ribs. I'm open to enjoying the process of connecting with myself. Tapping to the wrist. I'm open to enjoying connecting with myself. Back side of the hand. What if it's easier to connect with myself than I've been telling myself? Tapping up to the top of the head. And even though I don't know who I really am anymore, I'm open to getting to know myself. Between the eyebrows. Stay with me, you're doing so well. I'm open to getting to know myself. To the sides of the eyes. I am the one person who's going to be with me every step of the way. under the eyes. And I am open to creating a friendship with myself now. Tapping under the nose. It is safe to come home to myself. Under the lips. It is safe to come home to myself. Tapping to the chest. And it is safe to get to know me. Front of the ribs. I am learning to listen to my inner voice. Sides of the ribs. I am learning to listen to my inner voice. Tap into the wrist. What if I'm actually a great person and I actually enjoy connecting with myself? Tapping to the back side of the hand. Even small moments of connection matter. And I am ready to have moments of connection with myself throughout the day. Top of the head. It is safe to get to know myself. Between the eyebrows, to know what I think and feel. Sides of the eyes, to know what I need and want. Tapping under the eyes. I empower myself when I go inside and I connect with myself. Tapping under the nose. As I improve my relationship with myself, under the lips, I improve every other relationship in my life. Tapping to the chest. So I'm ready to get to know myself. Front of the ribs. I choose to connect with myself. To the sides of the ribs. It is safe to connect with myself now. Tapping to the wrist. I am healing my connection with myself. And I am building a healthy relationship with myself. Back side of the hand. I am learning to love every part of who I am. Beautiful. Stroking down the arms. Now, there's information down below about how to work one-on-one with me, because maybe a 10-minute video doesn't cut it for you, right? So I can really guide you in this process to clearing these blocks that are stopping you from connecting with yourself. Also, join my 5-day free tapping challenge. Keep going with some more taps. Let me know how this tapping session was for you in the comments.